Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see the overview of an IEEE project titled as Depression Detection from Social Network Data based on Machine Learning and Deep Learning Techniques. We are inspired from the IEEE paper titled as Depression Detection from Social Network Data based on Machine Learning and Deep Learning Techniques, an interrogative survey. This is an IEEE paper which is published in the year 2023, which is the most recent paper. Coming for this project domain, it belongs to deep learning, tabular data processing. Machine learning type, supervised machine learning. That means we have labeled data. Approach, classification. These are the technologies we have used in this particular project. Python 3, it is a programming language. Anaconda, TensorFlow, OpenCV, convolutional neural network, which is nothing but CNN. It is a parent algorithm. Jupyter Notebook, which is an IDE, and machine learning techniques. For pre-processing the data, we will use the machine learning techniques. Introduction. Depression detection from social network data encompasses a research area that dwells into understanding and identifying signs of depression among individuals by analyzing their activity and interaction within the realm of social network. In the digital age, people actively engage on various social platforms, generating vast amount of data in the form of text, posters, images, videos, and many more. This data carries valuable insights into users' emotions, behavior, and mental states. Problem statement. The challenge is to develop a robust automated system capable of accurately interpreting vast amount of text data generating through social network interaction to diagnose users' mental state, particularly depression. Coming for the proposed system, the proposed system aims to develop an automated depression detection model using social network data. It focuses on analyzing the vast user-generated content available on social networks, including text. The system's primary goal is to evaluate the user's mental state, particularly by identifying signs of depression. Utilizing advanced data processing and machine learning technique, the system aims to develop a dependable tool for earlier detection of depression. This is the basic system architecture where we have a data set. The data set we will apply some pre-processing technique and feature engineering will be done. We will split the data into 80% and 20%, 80% for training and 20% for testing. We are going to use deep learning algorithm, and once the model is trained, we will validate the model and the result will be given. Suppose if your guide need to improve a little bit, means we are definitely have lot of solution for that. We can enhance the project. This is just a basic architecture. This is the dataset sample. Algorithm details. We are going to use CNN, nothing but convolutional neural network, RNN, LSTM, GRU. These are the 4 algorithms. Other than this, we can go with a hybrid model also, like CNN along with RNN, CNN, LSTM, CNN, GRU. These are the different algorithms. We can merge 2 algorithms and we will develop an hybrid model for that. This is the basic overview of the project. If your guide asks what is the enhancement, means we have plenty of idea. Based on that ideas, we will customize the project according to your need. So if you want more details, you can call us on the WhatsApp number which is showing on the screen, and you can also mail us in the email ID. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.